Hello everyone, it's Kim Hong here. Today I'll be sharing a trade idea with you guys that can make a potential profit of 140 pips. Without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so this trade idea is based on the currency pair Aussie CAD on a daily time frame. All right, so the main motivation behind this trade idea is the consolidation that you can see from this purple region over here. All right, this consolidation ranging zone over here. Okay, so for the past 9 to 10 days, Aussie CAD has actually been trading within this 80 pips zone, all right, without a clear direction. Looking at the past few candles, you can see there are like long upper shadows, long lower shadows, even have this so-called like a spinning top kind of a candlestick pattern, which actually indicates that traders out there, they are actually uncertain, indecisive of which direction the Australian CAD should be trading towards, right? So hence, there's no clear direction. So because of that, we can actually take advantage of this situation, all right, by having both a buy stop order and a sell stop order, all right? In this case, my buy stop order is set at 0.924. while my sell stop order is set at 0.908. All right. So you guys may be wondering what reason can, what factors can actually push the Aussie CAD out of this consolidation zone, right? So the Canadian employment figures, okay, data will be released tomorrow at 20:30 GMT +8, together with the US non-farm jobs report. All right. So let me just show you guys the this data. So the employment change figure, all right, for the previous month of for August, all right, was actually 90,000 jobs. Okay, that means 90,000 jobs were being added. Then this time around for September, they are actually expecting a lower number of jobs being added, 59.5 thousand. Now, why is that the case? Recall that back in September, COVID cases in Canada, okay, has actually been rising towards until the end of the month before we see a stagnation of the rise in the cases. Okay, so because of that, together with the imposed restrictions, COVID restrictions across several of the provinces in Canada, okay, that actually may lead to a slower jobs growth. Okay, however, we will still be seeing however, we'll be seeing a decline. Okay, we are expecting a decline in unemployment rate. All right, so that is actually still a good thing, right? Although, I mean, number of jobs created is expected to be created is actually, slower than previous month, but that does not necessarily imply a bad thing. Okay, it just means that, fluctuations and things like that, right? Because as long as jobs being created, doesn't differ too far away from, the previous figures, then it's still doing fine, I would say, right? Now, if let's say the jobs figure were to be released as of expected or even higher than expected, okay, this value over here, 59.5K, then chances are we may actually be seeing a strengthening of the Canadian dollar. All right, coming back to the chart, hence, a strengthening of the Canadian dollar may actually lead to a weakening of the Aussie CAD. So we will be looking for a sell trade at the 0.908 level. Okay. Now, on the other hand, if we were to actually see an unexpected weakening of the jobs market, all right, say for example, a figure that comes out lower than the 59.5K figure. Okay. So if that is the case, or maybe more jobs were being lost. Okay, you see a negative figure being printed in the report, then chances are we may be seeing a weakening in the Canadian dollar, hence leading to a strengthening of Aussie CAD. And if that comes, then we'll be looking at a buy stop, okay, at the 0.924 level. Okay, now what about our stop loss and take profit levels? Okay, now if our buy stop order were to be triggered, then okay, our stop loss level will be around this region, okay, which is like 110 to 120 pips. It's below the purple region, okay? And our take profit level will be at this golden dotted line over here, which is 140 pips, okay? Now, on the other hand, if our sell stop level were to be hit, all right, then our stop loss will be around this level as well, which is like 130 or 140 pips, okay? While our take profit level would be 140 pips, which is at the 0.894 level, okay? So as you can see, this trade idea is actually a 1:1 risk reward, has a 1:1 risk reward ratio, okay? So I would say wait for the report to be released and see how it goes, all right? Because if it turns out good, we got a chance to sell AussieCat. If the report comes out bad, we get a chance to buy AussieCat, all right? Now, if let's say the report has no impact, then chances are we may have to wait for next week, all right? So with that, I've come to the end of my sharing for my trade idea, all right? So if you guys are interested in a write-up, actually, please head over to Forex Trading Asia, all right? Create an account. You know, there'll be trade ideas being shared here, news being shared here as well. You know, create an account so that you can actually rate articles, okay? So to get points, you know, you get 1 point for every articles being rated, voted, all right? And then with those points, you can actually redeem for free Amazon vouchers. So what you're looking at right now is the trade idea that I've just shared with you guys, all right? Upcoming Canadian jobs report may provide a clear trading direction, okay? So with that, I will see you guys again on the currency call tomorrow, all right? So for you guys out there, if you guys don't really know what I mean by the currency call, okay, we actually have this daily currency call, free daily currency call, okay, that we help through Zoom from Mondays to Fridays at 11 GMT plus 8, okay? If you guys are interested in joining, all right, please head over to the link below, www.jintaotai.com, okay? Express your interest on the website, and then, you know, we will be contacting you guys with the link for our webinar, all right? With that, take care for now. I'll see you guys in the currency call. Bye-bye.